Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. In today's video, I'm going to tell you exactly how you can make $2,000 per week as an Uber driver, okay? And I know what you're thinking, Dylan, I can make over $100,000 a year driving for Uber, or as an Uber driver. What's the secret? How do you do it? Where do I have to drive? What car do I drive? All right, I'm gonna break it all down for you, but before I do, I wanna ask you guys, thumbs up the video and subscribe if you like making money, okay? We're gonna dive right in, and I actually want to show you guys everything so that we are all on the same page, because hey, life is too short to gatekeep. Let's share it all together and let's get rich together, because why not, right? That's what life is all about. All right, I'm gonna sync up my computer here. We're gonna look over this stuff together, okay? So one of the ways you can easily make 2,000 bucks a week is driving Uber Black. Driving Uber Black, this will allow you to hit the top tiers, and you just gotta drive in a major city. You will most likely hit that goal because if you live in Miami, if you live in Los Angeles, New York, San Francisco, Boston, you will most likely hit 2,000 bucks. You can get a Mercedes. Let's see which ones qualify for Black. Mercedes, gosh, do any of the Mercedes qualify for Uber Black? Eligible vehicles. Yeah, I don't know. I know the Tesla Model X obviously qualifies for Uber Black, but let's see. I don't know why they don't put the qualifications on here. The Uber website needs some help. But I wanted to say that you can do Uber Black, but the downside is you got to fork out, $30K for a car, $20,000 for a car, a used Escalade. You might be able to get 50, 60, 70, sometimes 80,000 bucks for a Tesla Model X. There's plenty of cars you can get for 20, 30, 40,000. But again, you're kind of limited with driving because all your money is going to gas, all your money is going to charging your car, and you're sitting in your car a lot. Now, what you can do, in my experience, in my opinion, this is a little bit better, is go and buy a cheaper car. I would go out and try to buy a Ford Escape, a car that's a lot cheaper, more reliable, and just qualifies for regular driving. And I would, this one's all right, 80,000 miles. I would honestly try to find something with a little bit more mileage and a little bit cheaper. Let's see if we can find anything. This one looks fine. 2014 Ford Escape SE. I believe the car's still, what year does the car need to be? 2008. Oh, wow. You can go back to 2011. Okay, never mind. This changes the game completely. I would strictly look for a 2011 Ford Escape simply because these cars last forever. Even if you go to Ford Escape Taxi, New York, all the taxis in New York, well, not all of them, but a lot of them use these cars because they last forever, and you can get them for really cheap. Like, look at this one, 103,000 miles, and it's only 5,900 bucks. You could probably negotiate down to like 5,500, get that car, boom, drive it to like 250,000 miles. Now, you're gonna drive this part-time, and on your off time, you're gonna work on your other business. What might your other business be? There's tons of other things out there. In my opinion, the #1 way to make money right now is on TikTok Shop. Not just TikTok, not just posting videos, but it's TikTok Shop. I created this membership called TikTok Shop Premium. You can sign up and start your free trial. That way you can try it out for $0. Try it out. You can earn up to 10,000 bucks per month or even more. You can make up to 2,000 bucks per week. I know what you're thinking, Dylan, oh, you're just talking out of your butt crack. No, look, this is my account, okay? This is my TikTok Shop page. I just started this a couple weeks ago. And in the past week alone, I've brought in 1,800 bucks. And I'm not selling my own products. I haven't created any, life-changing products. I'm just selling other people's products and I created my own store. So it's not like you go on TikTok and you need all these followers. No, my account only has 50 followers that I'm making this money on. I think I'm gonna start another shop too. But I have a video below. Again, you can click the link and join our little TikTok shop community. I think it's pretty fun. I've never done this before, but on my TikTok page, my personal one, I have 1 million followers. On my other one, I have over 380,000 followers. And even if you just go to my TikTok account, you can see a lot of my videos get over 1 million views. This one I just posted yesterday has over 1 million views. So I know a thing or two about TikTok. But this one, guys, you don't need a following at all. You can start with 0 followers, literally, and start making money like within your first week probably. And it's crazy. So in the past week, I've made $1,800. As of today, so far, by 9:30 a.m., I've brought in $430, which is insane. And in the past month, I've hit $2,800 again, because I'm just starting out. But the past week, $1,800. My goal for the month, for the next month is to hit $10,000. We'll see what I hit in the next month. But if you drive, one of these Ford Escape cars, drive part-time, make $500, $600, or $1,000 a week, and then do TikTok shop as well, make another $1,000. I honestly think this way you could make money, and the best part is you can do this on your phone, as long as you have a phone, internet. I'm pretty sure you do in order to drive Uber, right? And then, while you're waiting for rides, you can start making money. Look, I literally just got an order. You cannot make this up, guys. Literally, this is 9:35 a.m. 2 minutes ago. I sold this dress, okay? You guys are getting a little sneak peek of the link below. I sell women's fashion online. I know it's kind of nuts, but who cares, right? Women love shopping online, and I'm trying to take advantage of that. So I'm selling one of these dresses. Again, this is not my dress. It's another company, but I kind of brought it into my store, my shop. If this sounds like, if this sounds like a completely different language to you, don't worry, I explain it all. But yeah, so basically what I did, this is me paying for this. So I paid $9 for this, but that's because somebody bought one on TikTok for $23. So I literally just made a $13.70 profit. And look at how many orders I'm getting, guys. It's kind of nuts. I'm kind of been freaking out lately. But look at this. This is all this morning from 6 a.m., 7, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 orders. So again, I'm brand new to this, but I'm still starting, but like that's 9 orders. I'm like I'm trying to do like a $10 profit average. I'm more like 7 or 8 profit per average, but I'm gonna be increasing the prices soon on my products so that I make more profit. But my goal is to have like a $15 profit per sale. And then my goal is to get 100 sales per day. So that's around $1,500 profit per day. That's my personal goal. Obviously 30 days, that would be $45,000 profit per month. That would be life-changing money. But hey, you gotta reach for the stars, guys. You gotta reach for the moon. You gotta go so high. And that, oh, hey, maybe I only make 10% of that, right? Times 0.1. Oh my gosh, I only made 10% of my goal, but I still made $4,500 per month profit. I mean, that's amazing money. Times 12, $54,000 profit per year. That's outstanding. So anyways, I know I'm rambling, but this is just what I'm into lately. And if you want to join my program, again, for the first 100 people, you can start your free trial. Oh, and you don't need to show your face. You don't need any prior knowledge. And I'm actually the one showing you how to do it. So I'm not, this is not some sponsored fake guru post. This is literally me. I'm a TikToker. I've been doing this for years. I'm starting this kind of for fun as a little community. And TikTok allowed me to buy a house. I bought my own first home that I'm sitting in right now. Bought my dream car, whatever. I don't like to flex on the gram. You guys know me, I'm a frugal guy. I'm more like this. I got my couch off Facebook Marketplace for 50 bucks. That's more my style. I like saving money, not spending it, but now I'm trying to get into investing, so no crypto, none of that. I'm trying to just go slow, invest in my 401k, and I already have my first home. I'm taking it slow, but I'm taking it easy. I'm the more conservative route. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Let me know your thoughts. If maybe you prefer just doing Uber Black and, you know, financing a super expensive car. But if you know me, I prefer not to finance a car. There's plenty of cheap cars you can get to drive for Uber, and you can start making decent money, and you don't have to have a car payment. That's my style. I will never ever have a car payment ever again in my life. I've been there, I've done that. I'm not a fan. I don't even, and if you buy an older car like this, your insurance is gonna be way cheaper too. So thanks for watching, guys. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Take care, and we'll talk to you soon.